Apple just made the most worth it iPhone. In fact, the most worth it phone in 2020. Let me explain. Hey guys, I'm Ajjoub and welcome to another episode. Apple just announced the new iPhone SE 2. Apple has always been that company that puts out expensive products, but this year things are looking a bit different. The iPhone 11, for example, starts at $700, and the year before that, the iPhone XR started at $750. So prices are getting less and less each year. And to make their phones even more accessible, they announced the iPhone SE 2020 that starts at $400. To have such phone with great internals in a year where OnePlus is starting at $899 and the Samsung S20 starting at $1,000, Apple took a different route at that, especially with announcing the SE with such difficult times. But they know what they're doing because this is the perfect time to announce such phone at this price. Yes, it's the most worth it iPhone and phone in general, but it's not for everyone. With the few years old design, it's not gonna grab a lot of eyes, but with the internals and what you're gonna get out of it and the price, it's gonna grab a lot of purchases. You're getting almost the same camera of the iPhone 11, you're getting the same chip, which is the A13 Bionic chip, almost the exact same power horse as the big boys. It's lacking only few things from the iPhone 11, which are the bigger screen, the second camera in the back, a better front-facing camera, and a better sealing for water and dust resistant. Other than that, it's almost the same device, but in a small form factor and a few years old design. But for $400, which is $300 less than the iPhone 11, I think this is way more than worth it. And I said a couple of videos ago that if you want to get the ultimate computing experience, get the iPad Pro 2018 or 2020 with the iPhone SE. You're gonna have a blast with both of them. So the iPhone SE 2020 is a great upgrade for the people who has the iPhone 6, 6S, 7, or even the iPhone 8. You're gonna have a great experience upgrading to the iPhone SE. And for the Android users who want to dip their toes for the first time in the iOS world, this is your chance. The iPhone SE is a great budget iOS opportunity. I'm gonna be making a lot of videos about the iPhone SE in the upcoming days, so stay tuned for that. Even one of my friends is gonna get the iPhone SE, shoot some videos and photos with it, and share it with you as well. And that's been it for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give it a sub, and don't forget that life is all about love and dance. See you.